Welcome everybody, my name is Carl Sorensen from financialfreedomacademics.com. Welcome to this video on the topic how to build a profitable email list fast. So I want to talk to you or explain how you can build a profitable email list very fast, and I will go through this in the next minutes. But before we begin, I have two bad news for you. So the first one is, I know you don't want to hear that, but the money's in the list, and that's, if you ask the big marketers, everybody will tell you the money's in the list. It's the biggest asset you can have when it comes to making money online. It's like a license to print money. Send emails out, make money. Send emails out, make money. And it's also very good to build relationships to your audience. So that's the first bad news. You need to have an email list or an audience. The second one is that it's actually that the most people struggle in building a profitable email list fast, and that free traffic, everybody wants free traffic, but free traffic is very time consuming. But I will explain you how you get paid traffic for free and how you make the most out of your traffic, right? Okay, but also, if you stay till the end of this video, at the end of this video I will explain you how you get free buyer traffic. And buyer traffic is the highest quality traffic you can have, because that's the people who are already interested in your niche, and they are ready to buy. They are ready to invest in the future. So that's the highest quality of traffic you can have. And that's the number one goal, to send those leads into your lead capture page, which I will show you in a minute. So let's talk about traffic first. Free traffic is very time consuming, but it's free. And paid traffic is, you have to pay for it, but it's very targeted and it's fast, very fast. You just send it to your lead capture page and that's it. So, but when you have paid traffic, also when you have free traffic, but especially when you have paid traffic, you want to track your traffic, because if you don't track your traffic, your opt-ins, that means people who got into your list, if you don't track it, you will never be able to know where this traffic is from, if this is profitable, and if you should scale it up. So I will show you now how you get free traffic, how you get paid traffic, and stay till the end of this video, because I want to show you or tell you how you get free buyer traffic, okay? So let's start. As I told you, let's start with some free traffic methods. So there are so many methods to get free traffic. You can, let me open my file. You can get Twitter. Just post stuff on Twitter. Build an account, find the right hashtags, and get them to your lead capture page, right? That's all. You always want to send them to your lead capture page to have them inside your list. And also, I will show you a funnel in a few seconds how you multiply your leads, okay? Like you get YouTube subscribers, you get messenger bots, subs, and everything, and you get wire traffic at the end. I will explain everything in a few minutes. The next one is you can use Facebook, you can use Instagram. Just Google it, how to get audience or how to get leads with Twitter, how to get leads with Facebook, how to get leads with Instagram. I don't want to bore you with all this stuff. Just Google it and watch the videos. But my number one, or one of my top tips or advice I can give you, is to focus on 3 traffic sources, track them, and optimize your funnel, right? That's the 3 things you want to focus on. And the 4th is to build a relationship with your audience, so build authority and trust. And the 5th is that you want to monetize it. That's the 5 things to focus on. Focus on 3 traffic sources. Always consider paid traffic if you're able to do that, but because I will show you in a few seconds how you get it for free. Then track your traffic and scale it up if it's a good traffic source for your funnel. And yeah, like build a relationship, monetize it, and optimize your funnel. Like, that's what you want to see. Like, free traffic is mostly from social media. And you can also go to answer and question sites, which is actually also social media, sorry for babbling around here, Grower, etc. And answer some questions here and lead them to your lead capture page. You can make videos, YouTube videos about our topic. YouTube videos are always very good because they already see your face. Always consider to show your face somewhere. And you can also just make simple screen capture, just show your screen and go through a process. But find a topic which solve a problem and then rank it with the help of a simple Fiverr gig or whatever. Go to SEOclerks.com or do it yourself. Just find profitable keywords. You can get TubeBuddy and find the profitable keywords and have your lead capture page links below. Also write blog articles, solve a problem, and then lead them to their lead capture page. That's it. Also very powerful traffic sources. Find 2 or 3, focus on them, track them, and then scale them. For paid traffic, which I love paid traffic because you actually get it for free if you use the method I will show you, like solo ads, AdWords, like YouTube ads, display campaign. You can even send an email to Gmail and so much more. I wouldn't use Facebook ads because they are too expensive and you won't break even. But that's the thing you want to consider here. You can also use classified ads, but I don't have experience with classified ads. But solo ads should work, AdWords should work. When you go for solo ads, always go to Udemy. And that's the place where you get solo ads. You can see the ratings. You can go for solo ads, which are just like 40 cents per click. As I said, your goal is to break even. I will show you how to do that and to multiply the leads and to get viral traffic from it. And that's everything you want to do. I hope I know my password. So when you go to Udemy, you will find a lot of people and you can just search for the right people, and you're doing that by my solos, no, find sellers. Okay, and then here's the explanation. What you want is 100 visitors to start. Okay. 100 visitors, start with the lowest, got sales, like 20% maybe, yep. And marketing is the niche if you go to for make money online, and then go through those people, like what are their ratings, and here, like how many sales do they got from solo ads. Solo ads, basically you say, okay, here's my lead capture page, please send traffic to it, and that's it. And then the most important thing here is to track the traffic, and you do it by putting a pixel on the bridge page, which is the page where they go after they opt in on the lead capture page, after they inserted the email address, okay? And then you track it. You just put the pixel on the bridge page, have the link here, give them your tracking link, and then see what's up. And if they're above 30%, or like 20% is okay, like Wayne, I will always go for Wayne. Here 30%, you can scale it up. Just scale it up and you're good to go. Okay, so I will show you the funnel now, how you get the most out of your leads, okay? So let's have a look. Okay, that's the funnel I'm talking about, and what you want, all the funnels about getting one lead here, a highly targeted traffic lead, and then get them into your squeeze page. Like I will show you my squeeze page after I get through the system. Get them to the bridge page where you have a short video where you introduce yourself real quick, tell them why or congratulate them, tell them that they should whitelist your email, that they should subscribe to your YouTube channel, or you already have the YouTube video here with the small picture here. And then you will have our upsell offer here, like our invisible offer. They'll just have a continue button here, and send them to your offer. And like every fifth person, especially if it's a low ticket offer, let's say an offer below €20 dollars, will buy it, and you get all the money back for your paid traffic. That's what I want to tell you. Like, that's why paid traffic is free. You have an invisible offer which is congruent to your main squeeze page, which makes it faster, better, whatever. Have an offer here, have a continue button here, say they should click on continue button to get even more value, and then you get the money back to your paid traffic, okay? That's why that's the most profitable funnel, okay? So they get to the welcome email. You will have something here like a short report, a video, whatever you want to give them here, and they will get access to this through your welcome email. And the welcome email is a simple email where you introduce yourself, congratulate them, tell them why they should listen to them, tell them that you give a lot of value, that's it, and that they should look out for the next email where you do this and that. Like, don't be too salesy in the first 3 emails. Like, give some value away for free. I always recommend, because people, they feel like guilty to buy from you in the future, okay? That's a very powerful trick to do. And when they go to the product, like, you will have your free report here, the download button for your free report, or your video here, and then you just write something like, hey, how will it be to get another free gift from my side? Just share my case study. I will go over this after, like in a few seconds, sorry. And then have the messenger bot button from ManyChat or whatever. Just Google ManyChat. Have the button here. Make them share your case study, and make them go to your ManyChat, and then you will send the link to the free report inside ManyChat. Just Google how to set it up. I don't want to bore you with some step-by-step tutorials here. But when you do that, they will share their case study with their friends, the people who trust them, the people who share it on social media with their friends, the case study where you give away your weight, but at the beginning you introduce yourself, then you have a case study where you solve a simple problem, and then you have a link to your squeeze page with a congruent report. So make sure these are circles, always congruent. But can you see how powerful this is? Like, free buyer traffic, and then you get through this funnel, get your YouTube subscriptions, get your email subscriptions, get an invisible offer to pay for the traffic, get a welcome email, and get the free product, make them share it, make them go to your ManyChat, and then their friends will go back to the squeeze page. Very powerful stuff. I have a training I create on my own. I will go into a few minutes after I show you my squeeze page and tell you how we get free buyer traffic, okay? So let's have a look at my squeeze page. That's my squeeze page. I use 100% free training. That's actually a training I created on my own, because I really want the people to know me. Like, I want to build authority and trust. That's why I created the training on my own. You can do the same, definitely. Just tell them something, like make your research and tell them something valuable, okay? And that's build authority. They're in your email list, and they are in your YouTube subscriber list and your ManyChat list, and they already know who you are, right? And then I have the lead capture page. Then I will go to a bridge page where I have the pixel to track my results, and you get the pixel just here. If you want to have ClickMagick, there are also some free tools, but ClickMagick is my favorite one, and you get the traffic pixel here. and put it on the squeeze page, bridge page, the page you will get after you opt in, okay? Alrighty, and here, like how to get free traffic, free buyer traffic. There, if you go to muncheye.com, there are many people launching, and when you go to their sales pages, they at some point they will have buyer groups, right? Okay, that's not working, but if you go to their sales page, where you will get from the GW page, just check this page and find buyer groups, and then you give in the name in the Facebook search bar, or the name from the vendor, and then like buyer or like mastermind or whatever, okay? That's what you want to do. I will go in like way more detail into all this buyer traffic method and how to set up the whole funnel, and how to create the case studies, how to create the social media posts and everything in my training Multiplyzer. I have a link below this video where I will go and review my product and give you my very valuable bonus package to make your get results even faster, to make build your hot tribe, your hot audience, your list way faster. And yeah, make sure to check it out. Very valuable stuff here. I think I have I take only $12 for it, so it can change your life. It will help you a lot. So make sure to check it out. I hope you like this video, as it was very like honest and straight, because people don't want to hear that they need the email list, but the only truth. Like, don't be a sissy, build your list and build your targeted list. By the way, I have another very highly targeted traffic method, a free highly targeted traffic method inside Multiplyzer, which I will show you. But for now, if you think you can do it on your own, do it on your own. Find the Facebook buyers via the sales pages and the groups they have, and all the people in these groups are buyers. If you want to have some help, check out Multiplyzer. I even include a list of 50,000 buyers you can just use for your business, right? Okay, that's it for now. I wish you all the best. My name is Carl Sorensen from Financial Freedom Academics. Have a nice day. Bye bye.